Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe leave a comment that simply says thanks. All those really do help with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a waterless essential oil diffuser. Absolutely great for making your space smell wonderful. Whether you're utilizing this in the living room, maybe you're utilizing it in your bedroom before going to bed, or maybe you run a business that has like a spa. It's very, very versatile. You can take it to the office, very easy and compact. So it's by a company called MEIDI. This is the box that it comes in once it arrives. It's obviously going to come with an instruction booklet, but we're going to go over a lot of the features right here in the video. Now, it's also going to include a little baggie here that's got some options of setting this up. You can mount it on the wall with some screws here if you wish. It also has some sticky pads. You can utilize that. I typically just leave it on the counter, but it has multiple ways you can mount it, which is a nice little feature. It also has multiple ways that you can power the device up. So it does come with a USB to USB Type-C cable here, so you can plug this into a power adapter or a wall outlet and kind of hardwire it, so that way it always has battery juice. Or you can utilize the 4 AA batteries that are included and then basically take it wherever you want and not be tethered to an outlet, which is a nice little feature. So here is the device itself. As you can see, it's nice and compact and small. To give you an idea of the size, it's approximately about 6 3/4 inches square on the front, and then the depth of it is about 2.5 inches. Now it does include, like I said, you can mount it on the wall, so it has this mounting plate to it. You can just go ahead and put in the screws, and then it also even has a kind of like anti-theft little screw spot. Once again, I don't utilize that because I just have it on the counter. This is removable if you wish. You can also just hang it right there because it has little kind of hooks like you'd use for a picture frame, which is a nice little feature. So if you want to hang it up high in a spa, you can do that. Or if you want to keep it low in a counter like I do, you can do that also. It says it's rated up to 3,000 square foot rooms. Basically, as you get further away from the device, that's gonna, basically the aroma's going to dissipate. It also depends on how strong your essential oils are and what you're utilizing, but off to the side here is where it will disperse those essential oils. And like I said, it is waterless design. You can put the oil straight in here. You don't need to add water or anything like that if you don't want to. So far as controlling it, connects to an app via Bluetooth. The app is called Sofuni, and there you can set up a schedule if you wish. So you can go ahead and manually hit it if you want. You can set up multiple schedules, which is a nice feature. Also, once again, like if you run a business or a spa, you can have it during your operating hours. Basically, you're just going to go ahead and select the days of the week that you want it to run. You're going to select your hours that you want it to run. And then you're going to select the intervals, whether it's 1 minute all the way up to 60 minutes. Right now, I have it set to where it will go off every 5 minutes, and it just does that burst, which allows you to kind of set that intensity of how much you want that aromas to be in the space. Obviously, if you have it going off a lot, it's going to be a lot stronger. Now, to give you an idea, in the front here, we'll go ahead and open the door. So it's all held by magnetics, so it's very easy to open and close because of the magnets. It has the power button right there on the front. There's a little light to let you know it is activated. Off to the side is the little door where it will have the 4 AA batteries. And then off to the other side is the tube. Now the tube holds a lot. It holds 100 milliliters of essential oil, so it will hold a lot. So it's going to last a while. You can fill this up however full you want, which is a nice little feature. Very lightweight and easy to carry around too. So if you want to move it from room to room, very easy to pick up and transfer to another space, which is a great little feature of this guy. But overall, it's a great little device. If you're looking for a way to add some aromas to your space and you're looking for an essential oil diffuser, I think this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something that I didn't quite cover that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.